In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually change the time zone on your Android phone. This is really useful if you're traveling, if your phone is showing the wrong time, or if you simply prefer to control the time zone yourself instead of letting the phone decide automatically. Let's start from your home screen. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification shade. Then tap the gear icon to open the Settings app. If you're already in another app, you can also find Settings in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, we're going to look for the section that controls date and time. Depending on your device, this option is usually found under System, General Management, or directly labeled as Date and Time. Scroll down until you see something like Date and Time and tap on it. This is where Android manages your clock, your time format, and your time zone settings. Inside the Date and Time menu, you'll probably see an option called Use Network Provided Time Zone or Automatic Time Zone. When this is turned on, your phone uses your network or location to pick the time zone for you. To manually change the time zone, you first need to turn this automatic option off. Simply tap the switch to disable it. Once it's off, the manual settings will become available. Now, look for an option that says Select Time Zone or Time Zone. Tap on that. You'll see a list of regions or cities, often organized by continent or country. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top if your device shows one. Type the name of a major city in the time zone you want to use. Then tap on it to select it. For example, if you want Eastern Time in the United States, you might choose a city like New York. After choosing your time zone, your phone's clock should immediately update to reflect the new time. Take a moment to check the time on the status bar or lock screen and make sure it looks correct. If you also need to adjust the actual time or date, you can usually do that from this same Date and Time menu when automatic time is turned off. If you ever want your phone to manage this automatically again, just go back to this screen and turn the automatic time zone option back on. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly and confidently set the exact time zone you need on your Android device.